Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Aqilah binti Yahaya and I'm from CDCS 2483B1. So now we will discuss about individual lab assignment for Calculus 3. I'll be using Maple 2016 to complete this task. There are two sections, which is section A and section B. For section A, I chose question A and B, and for section B, I chose question 1 and 3. For section A, the question asks to plot the following surfaces using either the three options of plotting, which is plot 3D, implicit plot 3D, or parametric plot, and name the surfaces. We start with section A, which is question A. Question A is z equal to x squared plus y squared. And then we start the coding with open bracket plots, close bracket, and then we define f, which is equal to x squared plus y squared. And then plot 3D, here I use plot 3D, and then open bracket f, comma x equal to negative 2 until 2, comma y equal to negative 2 until 2, and then comma x's equal to normal, then close bracket. Then after we click enter, we will get the surface, which is the shape is paraboloid. Next, for question B, which is x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to 4. We start the coding same with before, which is restart and then with plots. And then we define the equation, which is x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to 4. And then here I use implicit plot 3D. We use implicit plot 3D, open bracket, x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to 4, comma, x equal to negative 2 until 2, comma, y equal to negative 2 until 2, comma, z equal to negative 2 until 2, and then close bracket. And then after we click enter, we will get the shape, which is circular sphere. Okay, next we move to section B. For question 1, the question asks to plot the solid that lies between the cone z equal to square root of x squared plus y squared and the plane z equal to 4. And then we start with the coding, which is restart, and then with plots. After that, we find the fx, which is fx equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. And then we define z, which is z equal to 4. If we insert the 3D plots, we will get this shape. Then we continue with the coding for cone, which is cone equal to plot 3D, open bracket rho, comma theta, comma pi over 4, close bracket, comma rho equal to 0 until 4, secant, open bracket pi over 4, close bracket, comma theta equal to negative pi until pi, comma chords equal to spherical, and then close bracket. If we click the enter, we will get this shape, which is cone. Then for the coding of plane equal to plot 3D, open bracket 4 secant, open bracket phi, close bracket, comma theta, comma phi, close bracket, comma theta equal to negative pi until pi, comma phi equal to 0 until pi over 4, comma coordinates equal to spherical, and then close bracket. After we click enter, we will get this shape, which is the shape is similar to cylinder. And lastly, the coding is plots, open bracket display, and then close bracket, open bracket cone, comma plane, close bracket, and comma viewpoint equal to circle left. Here you also can use circle right, but I use circle left, and then close bracket. After click enter, you will get this shape, which is the solid that lies between the cone and the plane. And then next, we move to question 3 for section B, which is plot the solid that is inside the hemisphere, z equal to square root of 25 minus x squared minus y squared, outside the cylinder, x squared plus y squared equal to 4, and above the xy plane. And then the coding, we start and with plots. After that, we define the fx, which is square root of 35 minus x squared minus y squared, and then x squared plus y squared equal to 4. If we insert the 3D plots, we will get this shape. And then we move to hemisphere coding, which is hemisphere equal to plot 3D, open bracket, square root of 35 minus x squared minus y squared, comma, x equal to negative 3 until 3, comma, y equal to negative 3 until 3, comma, x's equal to normal, and then close bracket. After click enter, we will get this shape. Okay, next, with plots, and then for the cylinder, Cylinder equal to implicit plot 3D. Open bracket x square plus y square equal to 4, and then close bracket, comma, x equal to negative 3 until 3, comma, y equal to negative 3 until 3, comma, z equal to negative 5 until 5, comma, color equal to turquoise. Here you can choose any color that you want, and after click enter, we will get the cylinder shape. And then the combination, we use display, open bracket, hemisphere, comma, cylinder, comma, scaling equal to constraint, and then close bracket. After we click enter, we will get this shape, which is solid that lies inside the hemisphere, outside the cylinder, and above the XY plane. I think that's all from me for calculus 3 individual lab assignment, which is 2 questions for section A and 2 questions for section B. Thank you.